Hi, my name is Hannah. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, get real used to this face because I'm going to be around for a long time. Hi, my name is Hannah. I go by Hlander. I make hauls, vlogs, a little bit of it all. You name it, I could probably do it. Today in this video, I want to talk about the equipment I use to make videos for my YouTube channel or just content anywhere, TikTok, Instagram, stuff like that. Why am I making this video, you may ask? Because I truly wish I could have seen a video like this 2 years ago. There are a lot of videos that do reviews on equipment, cameras, etc. But I haven't seen a whole lot of videos about what you need beginning or being like a beginner with like a small creator on YouTube. We're gonna take it back 2 years. How did I make my videos when I first started on YouTube? I started like a lot of other people start with your phone. This is an iPhone 8, but I started with an iPhone 6. The quality on those videos, it's all right. It did the job. It really did. It wasn't something fantastic. It wasn't crystal clear, but it really did the job. I used my iPhone and this tripod. Now this is just a little smaller tripod that just sits on a desk, but it did the job. Last year on Black Friday, I just decided to do the thing and buy a camera, a vlog camera. I shoot with the Sony ZV-1 and honestly it was the best purchase I could have made. I'm so glad that I had it. It upped the quality of all my videos. I take it around with me just to take pictures sometimes. It's super fun to have. It's kind of nice having all your content on an SD card instead of on your phone. I just love it. It's the best little camera I could have ever bought. Lightweight, great quality, and I do not regret it at all. Was it a little expensive? Yes. Cameras aren't cheap. Even on Black Friday, they're not cheap. I got like an open box camera at Best Buy and I think it ran me around $500. I do not like to admit that because I'm just the $500. It's an investment. It really is. It's not something you need in the beginning, but if you're dedicated to YouTube or making videos, I really suggest investing in a camera. Now I want to get into like more of the just smaller things that I have that are essential for my YouTube channel. So first thing I want to mention is my MacBook Pro. I did buy it for college originally, but ever since graduating, I've used it mainly for watching YouTube videos and making YouTube videos. I use iMovie to edit all my videos. It's really all I need at this point. I think if I want to in the future invest in something, I'll probably get Final Cut Pro, but as of right now I don't really need it, and I honestly don't think I have the storage on my laptop, so you kind of need a MacBook. That is like number one. Without that I probably wouldn't have a YouTube channel right now. Number two, and this will help save the life of your computer so much. What is that, Hannah? It looks like just some plastic. No, this is a 2 terabyte storage portable drive that has all of my YouTube videos on it, most of my camera roll from my phone. I keep it with me everywhere. It's essential. If I didn't have this, my computer would probably blow up into flames because it cannot handle that much gigabytes. It can't handle that much storage on it. If my computer ever has too much stuff on it, like it just runs so slow and it's so aggravating. This is essential. You need one of these. I bought this off Amazon. I'm pretty sure I only spent $40 something on it. Seagate's the brand. You'll see a lot of people get the SanDisk or those little like orange ones. You probably know what I mean, but it has worked beautifully. I trust it with my whole thing. My computer's backed up on there. It's everything to me. Number three, this isn't essential, but since we're going along the lines of computer right now, headphones. These are Sony noise canceling headphones that I use for editing. They are super comfortable. It's just kind of like you need something right there on your ears so that way whenever you're editing you know every sound that's happening in your video. I would use my AirPods, but those are more comfortable than AirPods. Next item. Since I did buy my camera open box from Best Buy, it didn't come with everything you need. That's the trade-in you get when buying open box. So I had to buy a battery and charger for my vlog camera. This is what it looks like. It came with 3 batteries. Best thing ever. Has worked for me beautifully for a year now. It's super portable. It charges fairly fast. You can charge all 3 batteries at once, and it does come with 3 batteries. They look like this. My camera can go pretty long time on 1 battery, so I really, like if I'm making a video, I may need to change it at the end of the time, but usually I can get by just doing 1 battery. And they haven't like depleted within the last year that I have noticed. Okay, next item is this cute little microphone. Is it essential? No. But I think it's up the quality on my videos. Being able to like speak into a microphone, I think it just adds to the personality of my videos, but it also has helped with the audio tremendously. On the topic of audio, I just got this in the mail on Sunday. They aren't name brand. They're not like Rode microphones. They're just wireless microphones phones. They look like this. I'll use these eventually, but like they're wireless. They connect to this, which I would plug into my camera, and from there these would connect to it. I got 2 of them, and it's just kind of the same idea as this, but you know, wireless, so I wouldn't be restrained to a wire. And they really go a long distance. I got these for about, I think it was $30, something like that. So yeah, I can't wait to use that. I don't know when I will, but I know they'll be useful. Next item. I've got to take you off the tripod for this one, and because the next item is the tripod. Okay, I've switched to the mini tripod. So the way that I was just filming was with this tripod. You're like, Hannah, that thing is huge. Why would you buy something like that? Well, watch this. That's right. It literally transforms into a little tiny tripod that I can put in my backpack and take with me everywhere. It also comes with a little wireless remote that I can connect to my phone if I choose to connect that to my tripod. But I got this because I find myself a lot of times not wanting to sit down at a desk, like wanting to stand up in the kitchen. You say I want to cook in a video. I need something that's tall. Like I need a platform to put on there that's tall. And this, my friend, goes up to like 6'2". Not 6'2". I don't think so. I'm like 5'11", and it's not taller than me. Let's try it out, shall we? I'm gonna say it's like probably 5 foot, which I'm almost sure that they advertise it being 6'2", but I think it goes about 5 foot. It's perfect. It really is. I'm really proud of this purchase. I got this for $20 too. It's just versatile. I see myself using this a lot in the future, so I'm excited about that. Next thing. Now, the lighting is about to get really bad because my next item is this portable light box. This was also $20. I'm obsessed because it holds battery so well. It plops right on top of my vlog camera, and it has other spaces to connect. Say if I had like a microphone on top, I could put it in there and it would sit, or I can put it in and like tilt it. I can put it on a different tripod with this mount. Like say I could put this on my small tripod and move it around. It can go with me everywhere. I can move this little tripod, my new tripod, into the living room, and boom, we have lighting, and it's adjustable. This is the brightest it gets. It also goes warm, and it gets really soft too. Super adjustable, super affordable. On some of the reviews for this light thing, people use it for taking selfies. They use it as a flashlight. You can use it for content creation like this. It's just super handy, I think, and not heavy. You need one. Did I convince you? Next item is probably my most used item besides my camera or my iPhone, is another lighting thing. It is this fun little clip-on. It has like a little part for my phone to clip into, and then it's got these 2 ring lights. Ring light, that's what it is. It's got 2 ring lights on it. That way I can adjust them from, you know, both sides of my face, directly on my face. It also adjusts the warmth and the brightness, so I can make it however bright I want. It's super handy, especially if I'm gonna sit down at my desk and make a video. I can just clip it right on there, and it's good. Lighting's great. I do use it day to day to just do my makeup, so it really added a lot of value to my life, and it wasn't that expensive. I think it was probably about $20 too. Okay, what else? What else do I have? Last few things that are pretty small that I have is a 128 gigabyte SD card. Very important. Don't buy a small one. Go ahead and buy a big one. I would say another small thing that I use quite often. This hooks into my MacBook Pro. It just has the lightning cord, and it has a place for a couple USBs and an SD card along with a micro SD card, along with an HDMI import. Is that what it is? Import? Very important. I take this with me everywhere I go. Couple extra things. This is just bonus. This is strictly bonus work. You do not need this at all. This is preference for me. Since I had been editing on my laptop for a year and a half, I finally was like, you know, this is painful. Sometimes editing on your laptop is just not a big enough space to edit. You know, you're cramped on your keyboard, you're cramped looking at the little screen, leaning over. This was me editing all the time. Now I have a 25, I believe, inch monitor. It was about $140. So I have my monitor that I can hook an HDMI cord into my laptop, along with a mouse, a Bluetooth mouse, and a Bluetooth keyboard. The Bluetooth keyboard has literally saved my carpal tunnel from forming. It has made editing so much more enjoyable. I think my computer doesn't overheat as much because of it. It has helped my like ergonomics, my posture. Hopefully it's like a lot better for my health. health, but overall it's better for my sanity. Okay, is there anything else I can think of? Well, I think that's about it. I will link everything in the description, or something similar to it at least. Some of these things I bought like a couple years ago. I'm telling you, most of the stuff's from Amazon. Everything's super affordable, and I think truly if you want to invest in your hobby, invest in YouTube, it is worth the money. But like I'm telling you, do not buy the most expensive thing. You do not need it. You don't even know if you like it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, like, it would help support me. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!